Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you greenhouse for outdoor. Here is the box, and here are the sizes. Let's go ahead and open it and see. This is the user manual, and we're going to go ahead and take them all out and put them over here, and we're going to go ahead and start assembling. Let's go ahead and take them all out one by one. Oh, check this out. I am excited. Yep. Before we install, we can go ahead and check the labels. Everything is labeled correctly. And let's see. These are what I have in the box. Here is the second box. And these are the outside parts. After we're done installing it, we're gonna take this out. You see, this is transparent. Perfect for the greenhouse. Like that. First package, second package. I took them all out from the box. These are all I have. Step 5 is completed. Putting it is very easy. We're just gonna put it inside. That's it.
Okay.
We are done with the other side. Let's continue with the next steps. We are done with step 27. This is what we have so far. And we're gonna continue with step 28.
Okay, so now we put C3 here.
All of them are joining together, like with the joints. You see, that's easy.
I'm gonna give these two.
Now I'm putting this side. I'm done with everything. I'm just gonna connect these and then screw them. This is the inside part. Here is the top of the roof. Now I'm putting the top part like that.
First of all, I need to leave the hammer open. Is there more 7 here?
We're good to go for the roof part. Here is the window section. We're gonna put this right there.
Yeah, I found 2 more.
And I'll install it right there. Let's put the top part. These are very easy to do. There you go. And here is the other one. So far. I am done with the windows.
Yes, absolutely. Hi, we're good for construction. Okay, now can you love this? I got another friend with me. Here,
We need 7 of them.
and they're down here.
I put a metal at the top to make it stable.
I think I'm gonna go do something.
Now I'm just gonna put this right there. Use these screws to screw them right there. Great job, great job. This is like a STEM project. I'm gonna go ahead and put that down over there. Now I'm putting the door. I'm gonna go ahead and screw them like that. Now I'm done with the door. Finally, I'm done with everything. Here is the door. This is the lock. You can lock it like that. This is a large walk-in greenhouse for outdoors. This is 6 by 8 feet length and heavy-duty polycarbonate panel, wooden frame with roof vent. There you go. This is the roof vent. You can do the temperature control, ventilation, maintain humidity. Let's see how it's working. When you open it, we have some levels over there. You can just put it over here. 1, 2, and 3. Here's the second one. And here's the third one. Let's check it out from outside. Like that. It's awesome. We can go ahead and close and lock it like that. Now it is too windy outside, but I don't feel anything, and it is also very cold. It's about 52 Fahrenheit degrees, but inside is about 75. This is waterproof and UV resistant and very stable. You can put it above sand, cement, rocks, or wood. It has a great handle. You can close it and open it. This door handle lets you in and out very quickly, and this is very sturdy, as you can see. It has thick panel, long last wood frame, handle multi-weathers. This is taken panel, 6mm design. That's why I can definitely suggest this product. I really like it, especially roof vent. This is a perfect greenhouse for outdoors. Definitely suggest it.